Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the background from an image in Canva. If you're using the free version of Canva like I am, I'll also explain why this feature isn't available and what you'll see instead. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Then create a new design or open an existing project. Next, upload the image you want to edit by clicking on Uploads and selecting a photo from your computer. Once the image is uploaded, click on it to select it. At the top of the editor, you'll see several editing options, including BG Remover. This is Canva's built-in tool for removing image backgrounds. Now I'll click on BG Remover. As you can see, Canva opens a Try Canva Pro for free window instead of removing the background. This happens because Background Remover is a Canva Pro feature. It isn't included with the Canva free plan. If you're using Canva free, you'll need to start the free trial or upgrade to Canva Pro before you can use this tool. After upgrading, you can remove the background from your image with just one click, and Canva will automatically separate the subject from the background. You'll also get extra editing tools to improve the final result. So, if you're wondering why the background remover isn't working in your Canva free account, this is the reason. The feature is available only for Canva Pro users. That's everything for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you understand how the background remover works in Canva and why it requires a Pro subscription. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials and helpful guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.